Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can replace an iPhone 11 screen. As you can see, I have iPhone 11, the screen is broken. First you need to do is unscrew these two pentaloop screw. I already did this. Then you need to use a hair dryer or a heat gun. Soften up the seal on the bottom. Okay, after that I will use this bracket because I can get the plastic tool in. You will okay. The screen was never replaced, so it's hard to get in there. Oh my god. As you can see, I cannot get in there. Oh, what the fuck? Still nothing. What? Still can't get there. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Oh, sorry, we got something. Finally. Now you need to be very gentle. Oh shit. Sorry. Okay. Going around the screen. If the screen is tight as mine, okay, just use wait to heat gun to. Something is wrong with my heat gun. Now it's okay. Okay, now let's go around the screen. Oh, as you can see how easy it goes. Be very careful here because there are cables. Because here is the face ID going around here. Here are the cables. Sorry. Okay, the phone's open like the book. Oh, nice. Hello, I'm back. So the display, the new part has come. Let's begin where we last start. Okay, we must unscrew this. This bracket must come off. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. Okay. What? Shit. But we first must disconnect the battery, but I will wait. I will disconnect this part. That's it. So I can move the here. We have 3 more screws there. Stupid. How they create this? Stupid. No, oh, sorry. Now we must disconnect the battery. Oh. Okay. Now we disconnect the screen. Okay. The screen is off. Here's the phone. Put it at the side. We must now remove this. Okay. Let's see here. 1 screw here. Oh shit. 1 screw here. 1 screw. Oh, sorry. Here. I must magnetize my screwdriver. Okay. We have 1 little screw here. Okay. That's it. Open like that. Wait, okay. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. We have that out. Be very, very careful. I don't have a tweezers here on me. We'll see. Okay, I got this out. Okay, super. Now we have this out. The only thing is left is here. Okay, super. Be very careful because this is for Face ID. Okay, that's done. Put that here. New screen doesn't have this. Okay, we'll try to remove this. Oh, okay, let's go. Oh shit, not good. There's piece of broken glass, as you can see. Okay, put that aside. We'll come back later when I clean this. I think we finally cleaned this. Okay, now we must put back this back in. This goes here, this goes here, this goes here. What the fuck? Wait, let's try one more time. Just put this here. Something isn't right here. Finally managed to put this here. Now we're gonna just screw that down, but before that try to remove this. Okay, we'll remove that. Take this one little screw, this, oh my god, this screw goes here. Okay, what the wait a second. No, that's not good. Wait. Must unscrew that. Take that bracket off. Ah, I see what I miss. Okay. Now it's good. Oh my god. Sorry. Ah, nice. Now I need this. What the? This goes here. This goes here. And the last one goes here. Okay, we done that. Okay, let's see and test the phone. Okay, connected. Okay, now the battery. Okay, let's see if this thing turn on. I think the okay, I have charger here. Okay, I will put this phone to charge like 5 minutes and then I will come back. Okay, the phone has boot up. Let's see if they work. Try again in what? iPhone unavailable. I don't know why. We will wait. Okay. Let's see the touch screen. Okay. It's working. Okay, cancel. Just take me a look. What is password for this phone? Okay, I'm in. Display not recognized. Yes, I know. If you want to remove this message, you must. I will show you on other screen. So the person I'm replacing this screen doesn't matter if the display is original or not, if True Tone works or not. But if you want True Tone to work, you must first copy from this screen to like programmer tool and then on this screen. But if you want to I'm sorry, but if you want to screen doesn't have this message, non-genuine, I will, okay, you must transfer this. I think this you must transfer for the screen not have non-genuine message. Okay, put that aside. Let's see. General, so this is software, this is software update. Display not recognized. Okay. Let's see Face ID. If the Face ID works. Okay, Face ID works. So let's turn off and let's turn the phone off and connect everything together. Put tempered glass. Oh my god. I asked the person if he wants the screen to be like original. They told me not, just to replace the screen and the Face ID and microphone, that's to work. And he also told me that he doesn't care if the screen is like original or not. He just needs his phone to be working again. Okay, let's first put this bracket on. I'll screw this in. Sorry. Okay, and one more screw for that bracket. That's it. Let's put the bracket for the battery. Sorry. Oh, okay. First, put this the most. Oh my god. Wait. Where I have this? Okay. Okay. This screw is in. Then I will put the screw up there. And the last screw is the most easiest one here. Is here. Okay. No, I will not put the new seal because he doesn't need it. I told him, but he doesn't care. Okay, let's turn the on screen. I mean phone. Okay, it's booting. Okay. Wait. Okay. The phone is booted up. Just a second. Okay, let's go here. Touch, assistive touch off. Okay, and that's it. That's it, guys. Let's put these two down screw in there. One here, one here. Screw this into the place. Okay, another one. Oh my god, what? Okay, and that's it, guys. I will now put the tempered glass, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace.